Hello, dear sweet learners. How are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Almighty. But now we all are missing each other because all kinds of our school's activities are suspended. For this reason, our government has taken a nice initiative, and that is online class. Dear students, now I am going to take online class. Okay? Please, all of you watch the Bangladesh television or Shamshad television. Okay? Okay, dear students, welcome everybody. But before going to our main job, I want to introduce myself. Okay, dear students, I am Malay Kumar Roy, head teacher, Amtala Nishamta Government Primary School, Dakot Khulna. Now, I want to teach class 3 students, unit 4, lessons 1, 2 and 3, numbers, page number 8. Okay, dear students, but going to our main job, we all of we enjoy a fantastic sound, and it's a audio sound. Okay? Okay, dear students, please enjoy it.
Ten green apples growing on the tree. Ten green apples growing on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be 9 green apples hanging on the tree. Nine green apples hanging on the tree. 9 green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be 8 green apples hanging on the tree. Eight green apples hanging on the tree. 8 green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be 7 green apples hanging on the tree. Seven green apples hanging on the tree. 7 green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be 6 green apples hanging on the tree. Six green apples hanging on the tree. 6 green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be 5 green apples hanging on the tree. Five green apples hanging on the tree. 5 green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be 4 green apples hanging on the tree. one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be three green apples hanging on the tree. Three green apples hanging on the tree. Three green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be two green apples hanging on the tree. Two green apples hanging on the tree. Two green apples hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be one green apple hanging on the tree. One green apple hanging on the tree. One green apple hanging on the tree. And if one green apple falls down from the tree, there will be no green apples hanging on the tree.
Okay, dear students, we are enjoying a song. Do you imagine what's the song about? About the numbers. Yeah, you are right. The song is about the numbers. Today we will learn and write the numbers 1 up to 5. Okay, dear students, please, dear students, take your pen or pencils and English exercise book and write the headline of our today's lesson. We will learn the numbers 1 up to 5. Okay? At first, I will try to say the numbers with correct pronunciation and all of you say after me. Okay? Please say after me. 1. Again. 1. 2. Again. 2. 3. Again. 3. Next. 4. Again. 4. Next. 5. Again. 5. Okay, dear students. Now I will say randomly and all of you say after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I say and you follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Please again say after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Dear students, you can see a picture. And what can you see in the picture? Yeah, you can see caps. Okay? Next, what can you see in the picture? Yeah, it's a picture of an elephant. Okay, an elephant. Okay, dear seed learners, what can you see in the next picture? Yeah, here are some oranges. Okay, in the next picture, what can you see? Yeah, you can see some bags here. And next, what can you see in the picture? Yeah, here are some pencils. Okay, here are some pencils. Thank you, dear students. Now you will tell how many caps, how many elephant, how many oranges, how many bags, and how many pencils. Okay, first picture, how many caps here? Next picture, how many elephant here? Next picture, how many oranges here? Next picture, how many bags here? And at the last picture, how many pencils here? I think all of you will tell it. In the first picture, how many caps? Yeah, two caps. Okay? Two caps. And in the second picture, how many elephant? Yeah, one elephant. Okay? One elephant. And in the third picture, how many oranges? Yeah, four oranges. And in the fourth picture, how many bags? Yeah, three bags. Three bags. And in the last picture, how many pencils? Yeah, five pencils. Five. Okay? So, we can see in the first picture, two caps. In the second picture, one elephant. In the third picture, four oranges. In the fourth picture, three bags. And in the last picture, five pencils. Okay, dear students, you have learned 1 up to 5 numbers with correct pronunciation. Now, we will learn in odds. Okay, dear students, you will write the numbers in odd. Okay? First number 1, second 2, third 3, fourth 4, and last number 5. Okay. Now we will see how it's spelling. Okay. 1, O-N-E. Okay. 2, TWO 3 THREE 4 FOUR 5 FIVE. Okay, dear students, we have learned the numbers 1 up to 5 in words and in figure. Okay? Dear students, I will give you a home task or homework. Please, all of you, take your English exercise books and pen or pencils and write it. And you will match the number in figure with their word. Okay? Okay, dear students. On the left side, you can see at first 2, 5, 1, 4, and 3. And on the right side, you can see at first 3, next 1, next 5, next 2, next 4. Okay? All of you will match the numbers with their figures. Okay, dear students? No more today. You will practice it at home and you can take help with your parents or with your seniors. Now I am going to finish my lesson, but before finishing my lesson, I would like to give you some tips. Okay? Dear students, if you want to be safe, you must stay at home. So, most of the time, you will try to stay at home. And if you want to go outside for essential needs, you must put on a mask. Okay? And you will try to keep a hand sanitizer with you. And after a while, you will use hand sanitizer to free from germ. Okay? And you will avoid so many people are gathering. And you must not shake your hands with anybody. Okay, dear students, if you follow the rules of health, you will be safe. Okay, dear students, so you must try to stay at home. No more today. Thank you. Thank you, dear students.